3, 2, 1. Right. Okay, I give you... Take out this. This is your mic. So welcome to our atelier. It's we are in Geneva City, on top of the city, in the highest part of the. So it means that you cannot see it now, but you have a really nice view, and the building now we are at the 6th floor. So
we live in a shared apartment, and this apartment contains also an atelier.
Yeah.
So fortunately,
and in a kind of in the time of a lockdown, then it's really useful to be able to still work and dream and collect things that will make the future show and help us to also to develop the one that were booked already. So we still work on 8102 that was supposed to be in ICAF and actually is in ICAF, but in another way that was planned.
I think the best thing that we can do is to introduce you to the project through the first episode we made of an online video podcast. So we just let you listen to the interview that's explaining the project.
Directions.
Good afternoon to all our online listeners. It is a strange day here in 8102, as Naomi Swartz used to say.
8 1 reason 0 2 an abstract. Ancient life made
13 March 2020. Today, we fly again forwards towards 8102 to dissect the future worlds that are since 2018 under construction. Broadcasting live from our tailor-made studio for 8102, we say hello to you. I am Carla Isidorou, and next to me, Alexandra Bellon.
Hello.
Hello, Alexandra. Could you maybe give us a short introduction on the project 8102?
The project is an idea of recycling the numbers and putting them upside down. So it started with diaries of 2018 that we decided to use to project ourselves in the ultra future in 8102.
So you took 2018 and you turn it around?
Exact.
To look at 8102.
Yeah, because it's when you don't have it on paper in front of you, it's complicated to imagine, but it's 2018. But then it becomes 8102.
And for this project...
6,000 years, in fact.
Yeah, that's a long time. And in this project, I understood you are using recycled agendas.
Mm-hmm. It's this. We reuse agenda that were not useful anymore because they were leftover.
After the end of 2018?
Of course, oui. We have a fascination, both of us, for the future, the ultra future, even in 6,000 years. And what will the world look like? Or those kind of questions that are really important for us. So
and I wonder, you said there are constructors working on it. What do you mean with constructors?
Yes, we said because we work as a duet with Carla and we didn't want to only work the two of us together. We wanted to share this idea about projecting ourselves, jumping into the future. And we wanted to share this with other kind of people from all generations, for all ages, also kids, also people out of the art scene, to really share a generous project.
And how did this collaboration take form?
It started with a proposal to people around us. Simply the people we were thinking they could have a good idea or they could have a fertile imagination about future.
And you invite them by giving them a notebook, right?
Each time we give 2 notebooks, one for the people we decide to integrate or we propose to integrate in the community, and another one for someone that these people will decide to integrate in this community. So it's actually 2 notebooks that we give.
So it's a really expanding project.
Exactly.
Can you give us maybe one sense or one small story that is inside these notebooks of dead people?
The story I will give to you is one of two kids that are doing this project. They are 11 and 14 years old, and the one of 11 years old finished the notebook and doesn't want to give it back to us.
What is inside the notebook?
We don't know. We don't know because we discover what is inside the notebook when the people send to us.
So during the performance, you will be discovering the notebooks?
Part of them, yes, because it's 70 notebooks. So some of them the people already send it to us. Some of them they will do. But each time we will also discover new ideas, new draw, new work. Yeah.
And we are back again. I hope this interview gives a first sense of what the project was about. One of the questions that ICAF asked us to answer today is how this affects on our work as community artists.
Mm-hmm.
I think for this specific project it is quite interesting because the project can still go on.
And also it's an invisible community that we build with 8102. So in a way the invisible community works and works quite good with the network and internet and the video or the mail traditional post.
As well as the core of the project, the notebooks, the relationship that is built between the ones that participate and the object can continue even on this moment.
So, for instance, I can show one of them. It's we have something like in between 200 and 300 of diaries of this brand, and this is the base of the project. So the people
maybe you can show one.
Yes, but the people still use some. Because we talk about the future, I can maybe show the one of a young one. This is the one of Jade, that is working in France, and she spent something like not 1 year, a bit less, but close to it, to think about her own vision of 8102. So it starts with drawings, but quite fast. It is a mixture in between writing and drawing, and even this one is taped. It's the story of a bird. And this bird escaped from Earth for any kind of reason. Earth exploded, and then they all go on a planet that she called Ptolemy. So, and she tells the story of this fly, and she it's really touching. Because there is quite a lot of so you can really follow the whole story, and she changed the medium. So through the months, through the days, you see the development of the technique inside the notebook, and this I felt really interesting, really interesting to zoom in, zoom out, but yeah.
And in this zoom in and out, this would have been also part of the show of how we would be approached the radiophonic performance we would be sharing with you live in ICAF if we had the opportunity to be there. There we would have the collection of notebooks laid wide open in front of you and in front of us to interview them, interrogate them, to make the ideas come alive and let them collide
and connect the ideas. Because what is really interesting is that you can have an idea that is close to another one of someone else living in another country, and but they still like to think about the same subject. So
Fortunately, 8102 is far enough in the future to keep the trust and the smile
Yes.
that the project has enough time and to develop further, but also to be present at another moment. And for now, to be able to still share from a close up the notebooks that you see here, and some of them are already at ICAF, some of them are still at the houses of the constructors.
yes, because the people send this we didn't say. The people send their notebook to ICAF. So in ICAF there is a treasure with a lot of notebooks that the people because everything was on his way.
Yeah.
So ICAFs collect the treasure of imagine it's 1 year work for all of them. So imagine how much time there is into this piece of paper.
And to still be able to give a spotlight to them even through the show For Now Cannot Go On, what we started to do in the last weeks is to make a series of video podcasts, of which you heard a part of the first one, that is the introduction. And the second one, we will share with you the link, you will be able to watch it. You can also keep following the channel to have each time a zoom in into one specific notebook and the ideas that arise out of it.
I can show you this one,
which is
that
from
became-
maybe with two hands.
Yes, ça va. That became the mascot of 8102. As you can see, it's a beautiful duck with a sound system, a small vinyl in the left hand and a bigger one that became the floor. The cover is well made with a carpet, a velvet carpet. And yeah, it's a kind of, the circle you can look to the future.
But don't say too much, because I think for this one you just could watch the second video podcast that we already made. I think we will just give you a small teaser of it. Let's look.
The duck dance.
Eight, 1, 0, 2. Directions.
Good afternoon to all our online listeners. It is a strange day here in 8102. Yesterday we received the package.
And in those times of lockdown, it's even more important than normally.
What come out of a box of 8102?
For now, only paper. Newspaper.
But we keep the knife ready.
It is like the box of Pandora. Never ends. It's paper and paper and paper and paper. The only thing we know is that the box come from Cornelia, constructor 7 bis of the community of 8102.
Tension gets higher. Curiosity gets higher.
Oh, the need of help. 4 hands ready to take it out.
Attention.
Uh-oh. The thing has the same size as the box. The operation to take it out is Yeah, not risky, but
challenging. The ball.
the duck. Like 70 constructors working on 8102, Cornelia Schwartz did just this during 1 year.
Only 2% of raw material to reshape the whole 100%.
So as she said, the way to participate for 8102 is really simple. You have a few medium. We can even imagine to send when the post office will be working normally some notebooks if there is some of you that wants to join the project and have notebooks to make it happen for 1 year research. But there is another way that is more simple for now, just right now. You can go on the different links that propose to send us a voice message also. And
Together with Arte Studium Generale, which is a University of the Arts in the Netherlands, we had already started a collaboration on the project to infuse the idea of 8102 also in its students. And now the open call has broadened up, and for everyone from everywhere, from within his house, he can take the time to imagine and discover his own world of 8102, travel to the future and send us back a message.
And the way to send the message is really simple. Can it be just your phone and the normal record of the phone? It doesn't need to have a quality. Technically, what makes the quality is the ID.
Together with Artes, we will put it into a special kaleidoscopic radio emission, which will again reach more people and maybe in this way expand even further the community of 8102.
And we will design the sound thanks to all the objects that we have around in this room, and also the small radio studio that we have with synthesizer and good voice microphone to build a landscape, a soundtrack that refers to and a voyage into the future.
We hope that you are doing well and you are inspired in your own environments, which we look forward to see in the next editions of ICAF Online. And we send you greetings from the future and wait for yours once. Thank you.
See you soon.
Prem,